Ukubheduka kwe-COVID-19 sekudale ukukhathazeka amalungana nokuhaqwa inkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa kweinhlelo zokuthengwa kwezidingongqangi zokulwa nalolu bhubhane. Baningi abafaka izicelo zamathenda okuhlinzeka ngezamfonyo, izibulali magciwane kanye nezijumbana zokudla ngamanani aphezulu ngokungenasidingo. Okhulumela uphiko lwamaphoyisa oluphenya amacala akhethekile i-SIU uKaiser Kganyago uthi bazama konke ukunqanda lesi sihlava.
Selokhu umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa amemezela isamba sika 500 billion amarandi ukulekelela izakhamuzi kulesikhathi se-COVID-19 ziyanda izigameko zokukhwabanisa nokukhetha iphele emasini. Lo mkhuba wande kakhulu esifundazweni Eastern Cape, Gauteng kanye naseLimpopo. I-SIU isebenzisana nezinhlaka zomthetho khona kuzo i-NPA kanye nama-Hawks ukulwa nenkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa. uKganyago uthi okwabo ukubuyisa yonke imali yebiwe ezikhungweni kanye nasemnyangweni kahulumeni.
Now we have since established that there was no reciprocal way of working where in a case where NPA and the Hawks in their criminal investigation find that money has been lost. In most cases they would leave it to the institution itself. But now we have entered into an agreement that they also must second the recovery part to the SIU so that while they do the criminal side, we then continue with the recovery of the monies that are being lost. Therefore, we are working together as a team to make sure that we achieve where the fact that the president said that we mustn't be tolerant. And I can say to you now, it doesn't matter who you are, we are coming after you. If you are corrupt, we will come after you regardless of who you are because nobody is above the law.
Unxuse umphakathi ukuba ungananazi ukubika uma usola inkohlakalo uma kusizwa umphakathi njengoba umhlaba ulwa negciwane i-COVID-19.
What we are trying to ask the people of South Africa to do is to be vigilant and be able to report it as soon as it rears its ugly head, because if you do that, you give us an opportunity to get in as quickly as possible, ourselves, the Hawks and the NPA, to get in as possible and deal with that. We are all tired of people who are using government money that is intended for the poor and the vulnerable for their own enrichment.
Njengamanje SIU ilinde ihhovisi likamgcini mafa kuzwelonke ukuze lisungule imithetho yokwaba ngendlela izibonelelo zikahulumeni ezithinta i-COVID-19.